Hello everyone, this is Sanika Walikar.
Hi, this is Rashmi Dayanand.
Hi, this is Sanika Sapis.
We are from the Electronics Department of DJ Sangvi College of Engineering. We are here today to talk to you about our final year project, that is 2D to 3D back projection.
Let me tell you how we came up with this concept. In the course of engineering, while studying subjects like engineering drawing, discrete electronic components, which involves 3D structures, we realized how important visual aids are in the field of education. They hold a significant role in students' life to help them imagine objects in 3D.
So, the aim of our project is to build an independent interface which could capture orthographic views of an object on the screen, process it, and project back its clear 3D model. For better understanding, let me take you through the details and show you how it works. Firstly, the camera captures the orthographic views of the object present on the screen. The code is designed in such a way that it acquires the coordinates of the outline from front view and depth from the side view with the help of some inputs acquired from the user. If there are any holes, it detects the shapes and coordinates accordingly. Now, the depth of the object is obtained from either the side view or the top view. All this information is then processed and the 3D model is constructed and projected back on the screen.
So this is the image that will be captured using the camera. Now let me run you through the code. Now I double click on the corners of the outline of the front view. Now it asks whether the hole is present in the front view. The depth in this object is of the hole is the same as the object. So I press Y. Now in order to know the location of the hole, I press on the circumference and the center of the circle. Press E to exit. In order to find the width of the object, I click on the two coordinates of the side view. There is no hole present in the side view, so I press no. There is no hole present in the top view, again no.
This is how the output would appear on the screen when it is projected back. The code has been run on Raspberry Pi to make it a standalone interface for easy demonstration. We just have to connect the peripherals like the webcam and keyboard and mouse to provide inputs. So to sum it up, the three orthographic views and the 3D rendered image.